So hey y'all, we're back. So we're gonna do this all over again. And I'm still excited, but it's not the excitement that I had when I was unboxing, which didn't have sound. So now if this one don't have sound, we just not gonna do it. So anywho, okay, on the last video I actually didn't have this to show y'all, so I just actually went down to the car and got it. So this is like my little bag I use when I deliver for Uber Eats or Grubhub or whatever. So it's like a hot, cold bag. It's huge. It can put pizzas in here and everything, and it's great because I need it. And then it has 4 cup holders. So I be prepared. Yeah, it's a very good investment if you're doing like Uber Eats or Grubhub, whatever. I got this from Amazon. I believe it was around $35. I can't really remember, but yeah, this is it's YUOIOYU is the company, and this is a great bag. The cups don't spill or anything, so yeah, this is what I be using to do my little food deliveries, and I get so many tips. Okay, and I dropped stuff. Hold on. I'll be back. So let's get back into what I had got. So okay, yeah, so then I did get like I was telling you, I did get shoes delivered, and these are New Balance. They're purple and black. And actually, these were from my job, but I won't be there much longer. But anywho, so I did order the shoes, and they are like the slip resistant. So this will help me on my journey. New Balance shoes. So that came, and also I had got this. This is a action camera accessory set that I actually found at Walmart for like $2.97, and it was regularly priced $22, I believe. I want to say 22, but yeah, right now, and like I was saying before, today is May 13th, and it's a Thursday, but as of right now at Walmart, a lot of their stuff in the electronics is on clearance, so I grabbed that. I just figured I'll need it one day. I gotta get a camera or find my camera, because recording on phones, yeah, all the storage be gone and all that stuff. So I just went on ahead and got this thing. What's in the box? It say a selfie stick, a floating hand grip, a performance chest mount, adjustable head mount, bicycle handlebar mount, a car dashboard mount, 5 different mounting plates, 3 thumb screws, a wrench, and a rigid carrying case that fits an action camera. So there you go. Okay, then I actually went and I got this. Remember when I was telling y'all I wanted to make chicken and waffles, which I still didn't make. Yeah. So I got this mini waffle maker. Isn't it cute? So yeah, it's just like a little mini, you can make mini waffles, and it don't have to be a lot. So I got this, and I actually got this from Home Goods, and it was $7.99. So yeah, y'all got that. And then we did go and get, I actually know I got this from CVS, and it is a therapeutic deep rolling shiatsu. I know I'm butchering it. Massage, but it has 3 therapeutic attachments. And I know I got this from CVS a while ago, and it was on clearance. Can't remember the price, but I actually got it because on here it says FSA approved. I do not believe that it took my FSA card, but it still was clearance item. So who doesn't need a massager? So yeah. we'll try that out eventually. Y'all, I've had this stuff for so long. I just got tired of looking at the boxes, but I've been so busy. So I just decided to hurry up and do this. And this is my second time filming, as I said. But I'm like a kid in a candy store. This is like my Christmas. So we got some massage. We got some waffle maker. We got the camera accessory. We got the DoorDash, well, Grubhub, Uber Eats, DoorDash bag. So then I actually got some of the goalie, and these came from, I got these from Amazon. I don't want to show the address, but it was Amazon, you see? So it's goalie apple cider vinegar gummies. And I did have some of these before, but I have all these money on Amazon from my rebate app. So that's what I do with my rebate apps. I just I get gift cards for Amazon and just put it on my Amazon account. And that's how I do it. So I got the goalie apple cider vinegar vitamins, and it's 60 pieces, and you take like 2 of them 3 times a day. So they go pretty fast. Well, it's 60 in here. But yeah, I got them. I already took 2 of them in the first video I filmed. But so yeah, we got the apple cider vinegar vitamins to control your appetite and all that good stuff. So next we have the bedhead TIGI, and it's a blowout freak. Keeps your mane in check in one step. So the ego boost mix pattern bristles give you fearless volume and add definition and texture for a smooth folder style. And I'm pretty sure I got this because it was like at a totally discounted price, because that's the only reason why I think I would have bought it. So I know I had to get it like at a very low price. But anyway, it's like a hairdryer brush for bedhead. So you can dry, straighten, texture, and style all in one step. So this is what we got. So we got, y'all, I be ordering random stuff on the Amazon. Do y'all do that? Just random stuff. Don't even make any sense. Crazy. So got that. Now, what else did we get? We got, okay. So I got it's called T-Car Dust Cleaning Gel. And it's for your car. Like, it's like the little putty stuff that you can just put in the car, and it cleans out like the crevices, like stuff where dust get, like the inside of the cup holders, you know, your air vents and stuff. So it says, you take it out with dry hands, knead a few times, press lightly onto the surface you need, and then pull it up slowly and the dust will be carried away. And after use, I just put it back in a jar and store in a cool place. So yeah, this is a little thing that you mash onto the dirty parts of the car, and it brings up all the little dust in those hard to get areas. So, yep, gotta keep the car all clean and good, y'all. So that was another thing. And then I got okay, so this is like a purse holder for in your car. So you put it between the seats, between like the front 2 seats, and it goes like in the middle. So you can just put your purse down in there. So when you brake, you don't have to worry about your purse like flying on the floor, and it's just right there. So when you don't have to put you don't have to lay your purse on the floor, because everybody knows if you lay your purse on the floor, you'll always be broke. So we do not put our purses on the floor. And it's easy to reach because it's going to be right there in between. So the backseat passengers get the rhinestone effect. And I just put my purse right in there in between the seats. So, yeah. And then you don't have to worry about it going flying off. So I thought that was cute, y'all. It's so cute. Okay, so then I get along with the dust gel thing, I got cup holder coasters for the car. Blue is my favorite color. Do y'all know that? So it's actually 4 of them. So just put that down inside the cup holders. I think I only have 2, but I guess that's good to have 2 extra ones. Does my back seat have cover? Y'all, I'm still getting used to my little truck. So I think that's why I bought all like these car accessories. And plus I'm doing, you know, deliveries and stuff. So I'm going to spend a lot of time in the car and want to make sure that it's comfortable and cute and stuff. So yeah. I guess maybe I should have got black, but I didn't even think about it. But this is going to be towards the back anyway. So, and this will be in the front. So we got the cup holder little thing so it won't get all, your cups all dirty. Or if I'm delivering, their cups won't be dirty. Even though I got my cup holder bag. So, just in case, just in case. So we got that out the way. We got this. And then, moving on, we did get the coffee pods drawer, right? Now, I don't drink coffee. Well, not usually. But I do love tea, so I ordered tea pods. And then this is the little drawer, y'all. So I can put the pods inside of there. So now I need to order some more pods. But I can put this, put the Keurig, I can put the Keurig right on top of this. And grab me some teas before I head out and do whatever I'm going to do. So yeah, I think that is cute, right? So this is from a place called Every Possible Gadget, which is not good because I will buy every possible gadget. Y'all, I just buy stuff. So yeah, they have the carousels too. This is like some of the styles. Compatible with K-cups, good, because that's what I have. So no pods falling out. So, okay. So, we got a couple of kitchen gadgets. We got some massage type dealios. We got the apple cider vinegars, my little coffee pot. And then, y'all, I actually have a LED ring light. So, it is 45 centimeters. I don't really know. The specifications say input voltage 15V. They got color temperature, color rendering index. I don't really know what any of that means, but I now have a ring light, a bigger ring light, because I got a little mini one right there. So I ordered this a while ago, and I'm just now opening it. Y'all, I've had this stuff for so I should be ashamed of myself. Okay, and last but definitely not least, I think that's it. But the last thing I got is actually my dash cam for the car. And this is actually good for if you like deliver or whatever. It's like a little dash cam. So wipe the spot on the windshield clean before installing the mount. So it goes on my windshield. And it's a little dash cam that'll record. So when I'm in a car, it can always record. I guess you can keep it in the car too, and it'll record so you can look for anybody like being around your car. But I got it specifically to record videos for when I'm doing Uber and stuff. and also like it's good for accidents or whatnot. So, and of course I'm paranoid. I think something's gonna happen to me, so it's already gonna be recording. So if something happens to me, I'm gonna make sure this camera is on and popping, looking for where I deliver, because all these crazy people out here, you can never be too careful. We want to make our money, but we want to be smart. So yeah, y'all, that's the last thing. And this is got wires, so I have somebody come in to do my brakes today. So I'm gonna ask him, do he know how to put this together, because it's like a wire type thing. And I do believe it's like, it has like a backup cam. It it has like a door you can look at out the front and inside of the car, so I can be recording the road and also record me at the same time. So I'm gonna have fun with this. Y'all know I love electronics. So out of this whole thing, my favorite thing is probably going to be the dash cam. I get very good use out of my bag, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get use out of this. Once I do the massager, I'm going to love that, I'm sure. Everything else, well, that is, I thought it was like much more, but I think that's it, y'all. But anyway, tell me, what is like your favorite purchase you had from Amazon? What is your favorite thing that I got? Do y'all think I'm gonna use any of this stuff? I'm definitely gonna use it. But anyway, so let's get this up and running. And I'm hoping everybody have a great day, great afternoon, great night. Did I do couponing this week? I did coupon, but I didn't put up the CVS video because I've just been so busy. So I didn't put up that video because it's already Thursday. I haven't even looked at Walgreens yet. But we are going to get these deals. And like I was saying, for this Amazon, all of this stuff I got, well, all the stuff from Amazon I just got from gift cards, because my Ibotta, my Fetch rewards, all that stuff, I just usually just get an Amazon gift card, and you can just load it onto your Amazon account and it just stays there. So I had a whole lot of money on Amazon, and I actually sometimes just resell or basically order for people, and they just give me less money, and I use my gift cards and they just give me the money. So it's a win-win for everybody. But now I gotta get my money back up, so I gotta go do some Ibotta shopping. So see y'all later. Hope everybody's having a great day. Yes, I'm excited about the dash cam. Bye.